In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Google Pixel Slate. By following these steps, you will successfully erase all data and restore your device to its original settings. Before you begin the factory reset process, it is crucial to back up all important data. You can use cloud storage solutions or external devices to save your files. Remember, a factory reset will erase everything on your device, so ensuring that all necessary data is securely backed up is essential to prevent any loss. Next, navigate to the settings menu on your Google Pixel Slate. Look for the option labeled Advanced or System, depending on your specific interface. Once you locate this section, find the option for Reset or Power Wash. Tapping on this will initiate the process to prepare your device for a full reset. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions that appear. After selecting the reset option, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Confirm your choice to initiate the reset process. The device will then restart automatically and begin erasing all data stored on it. This may take some time, so be patient and allow the process to fully complete. Once the reset is finished, your device will prompt you to set it up again. This is an important step as it allows you to configure your Google Pixel Slate as if it were new. You will need to go through the initial setup process, including signing into your Google account and adjusting your settings as preferred. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.